Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. Let's have the jollification of letters. In this video, we'll learn how to make easy drawing from letters S to Z. So first of all, we make capital letter S. We start from here and make capital S like this. Now, let's learn how to do drawing with letter capital S. For this, first of all, I am making a big capital S here. Now, I am taking another color for the drawing. I am making a circle around the S like this. And now, I am making a eye here by drawing a small circle. Now, I am making two antennas like this. And after this, I'm making a small change here. I'm choosing another color and making a round like this. Here also, I'm making a small round like this. This is your snail ready. S a snail. Now, I'm making T first here. For T, make a sleeping line. Now, a standing line. This is T. Now, for its drawing, we make a big T here. Like this. Now for its drawing, we make a triangle on the top of the T. I'll make it like this. Yes. Now start from this point and come down to join the line like this. Yes. Now we start from this top to come down and form a slanting line. We make it like this. Again, we start from this point and come down to form a line like this. Now we have to join these three lines one by one. I'm joining it. You can see how I'm joining this. Yes, first one done. Now I'm joining from the second line to the third line. Yes, this one also done. And now I'm making two rectangles here for the window of the tent. These windows help us to see outside. You want to see outside of the tent? Yes, by these two windows you can see outside. I'm making a small circle on the top of the tent to make it more beautiful. Now I'm making these two also to hold the tent tightly. Now your tent is ready. Tent. Now next I am making letter U here. For U, you make standing line, then a curve, go to the up and join the line. This way. This is your U. Now let's learn how to make drawing with this letter U. For this, we make a big U here like this. Now for its drawing, I'm using another one. I'm making a circle like this. This is a semicircle. I'm making it. Now I'm making a design like this. You should draw it like this. Yes, yes. Yes, this is looking beautiful. This is your umbrella. What is this? This is your umbrella. We can make it more beautiful by drawing these lines one by one. Yes, this is your umbrella ready. We use umbrella in rainy days. You a umbrella. Now next letter is letter V. I make it V like this. This is capital letter V. And I am making a big capital V here to make drawing. Now I'm making a small design here like this. And now I'm making two stems like this. First of all, we make a small circle here. Now I'm making petals one by one by making round like this. Another one I'm making here. Make petals again like this. And this is your vase ready. We were vase. I'm making a small design here also. By these lines, you can also do it. The next letter is letter W. I start making it like this. Now here again I'm making W and this time I'm making it big. Now what you have to do, I'm taking different color for this. You make a circle like this. Like this. And now again start with this circle, make another line like this. Close to the first one, make it like this. Now I know I have to choose the red color. But now I'm making the seeds of the watermelon. So I'm using it black color again. These are the seeds of the watermelon. These are the seeds. Now, again I'm taking the red color and making it like this. Now I'm filling it slowly, slowly. You also fill it with the color like this. Like this. This is your red part of the watermelon. This is very juicy fruit. I love to eat watermelon. So our watermelon is ready. W for watermelon. Now we make the next letter X here. Like this. Now I'm making another X here. And this time I'm making it small because there is no need to make it big here. Now I'm making a standing line here like this. And a sleeping line over it like this. And another one line like this. And now I'm joining these two lines by this. Now I'm making standing lines one after one. Like this. The gap should be same. And now I'm making a round here. And another round here. This is your xylophone ready. X a xylophone. Now next letter is letter Y. For this, first we draw letter Y. Capital letter Y. Like this. This is Y. Now I'm making here again Y for making a drawing with Y. Like this. Join these two lines. Make standing line also. Like this. Now I'm using another color for its drawing. You also use another color. I'm making a standing line here, a standing line here, and a sleeping line to join these two lines to form a rectangle. Now again, I'm drawing something like this. You make it like this. Now downwards. Now come downwards and form floating water like this. This is your yacht. Why your yacht? First of all, we make Z here. For Z, I'm starting from here. You make it like this, come down, and now again make a sleeping line like this. Now for its drawing, I'm making a big Z here, like this. Now I'm taking another pen for making drawing. We make a small circle like this. Now I'm making a line like this. This is a sleeping line. Now make it more further. Come down. Make it like this. Yes. Now make it again like this. And I am making a slanting line to join these two here. What we have to do here next, we make small circle, small triangles like this. Make small triangles like this. These can be small ones because you have to make one another here on the down side. Like this. Like this, like this. Now come down like this, again like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and one here like this. What you have to do next, you start coloring here. Fill it with the same color. Fill it with the same color. I'm filling it with the same color. I have chosen red color, so I am filling it with red color. You can choose any color of your choice. You can use black as well also, like this. Now this is looking good. Yes, like this. Try to fill these also. Yes. Now it is done. Now I am making two big triangles here. One is here. And one is here like this. This is your zebra ready.